I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 98, and we're going to be talking about why photos aren't the only important thing. Video sells. We're closing in on episode 100, and to celebrate that, we're giving away a $100 Amazon gift card right before Christmas. To win, you need to be a YouTube subscriber, you need to like the Chris Whitehurst Real Estate Facebook page, and share one of the remaining 4 or 5 episodes of the year. We're going to be bouncing off of last week's topics when we talked about photos. I want to talk about why photos aren't the only way to market your home. While I use high quality photos, one of the things that I'm convinced of that helps me sell more homes is how video works. The virtual walkthrough tour is essential in getting your buyers to get a feel for the home layout. They can see everything. And while this is not a slam on other agents, a virtual tour is not still photos set to stock music. You need to have that walkthrough so your buyers get a feel for exactly how your home is laid out. Video can also help tell the story of the area. When I'm marketing to buyers outside of the area, I have to be sure that I'm not only selling the property, but I'm also selling the region. Video does a great job of that in a very digestible way. A short video can show your home, the neighborhood, and proximity to other area amenities within just a few short minutes. Every listing I get has a combination of great photos and multiple videos that work in tandem in hopes of putting your home at the top of every buyer's list. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, and I'm on most popular social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.